Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Me? I'm great. I'm making sure there's no other damage. Keep up the good work, everyone!
Thanks for the help, Corporal. Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PP.
You are a sight for sore headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac,
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
oh! Ah!
Kid's just trying to be a hero, huh? But what do you think of this?
Look here, boys!
Seguramente. No vendrán.
¿No qué?
Están varados en Flagstaff. Es mi ruina.
is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you little?
To not to.
Well, quit your yapping and tow this delinquent road hazard to traffic court.
Pretty music.
Yo, Wingo!
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you
Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock! Me be jamming now, man!
You broke in the road. You got about the car.
Officer, talk. No, you are not winning this.
You're angry!
I am not angry.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más...
Lightning McQueen.
What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good.
Hey, my baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo.
Dirty cat. I'll show them. I'm gonna go back to the construction site tonight.
Neither one of them has a single day.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that!
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season title.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
Oh man, the paint's still wet!
this dock, but believe me, no choice. Fellow citizens,
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will